I'm glad to have you back. Right now we're getting into section 6 and we're going to learn how to crack WPA and WPA2 wireless networks and the security encryptions. Throughout this section we're going to learn how to set up our lab. We're going to search for WPA and WPA2 networks. After that we're going to see if we can't hack or brute force our way past the WPA and WPA2 security passwords. Assuming we have the network SSID, we have the proper password in place, and what we're going to do then is learn how to intercept those connections by using Wireshark. So if we're connected to a wireless network, we're going to pull up Wireshark and see if we can't see who's doing what and where they're going. Setting up the lab. Setting up the lab, if you followed along with any of the other videos, you'll know it's very easy. And so what we need to do is just start airmon-ng start WLAN 0, WPA and WPA2. WPA actually stands for Wi-Fi Protocol Access, and the Wi-Fi Protocol Access 2. And so that's where we get WPA and WPA2 from. Now these are security protocols and security certification that allows us to make a secured connection or a secured wireless connection between the host and the guest. The host is our router and the guest is our computer or our smartphone or a tablet or game console. So by utilizing a WPA or WPA2 security encryption, we've got a very secured connection to combine the host to the guest. If you haven't done it, or if you've closed it down for one reason or another, go ahead and open up your terminal and do airmon-ng start WLAN 0. Now, mine is still in monitor mode, so if it's not, this will start the monitoring process of your wireless network card.